guys, so a lot of people have been asking me to do a bike check, and I've been really intending to make one, pero hindi ko talaga magawa-gawa kasi busy. But now that it's ECQ, I think it's a perfect time to do it. I have nothing else to do. So yep, let's go. So my bike, I think you've seen this already from my videos. This is a Ritchey Swiss Cross V1. So I think si Ritchey binibenta to ng 2016 to 2020. So yung previous generation na model. Now the only difference between this model and the newer one is that ito naka quick release pa na skewer. And the newer one naka through axles na. Okay? And in terms of tire clearance rin, ito ang maximum tire clearance niya is 700C by 38 millimeters. Yung newer one, I think 42 na. So medyo mas malaki. So that's it for the frame. For the cockpit, my stem is a Ritchey C220 stem. So this is 110 millimeters. So WCS model, as you can see. Same with the handlebar. This is a Ritchey Logic 2 handlebar, WCS rin. And para terno, yung seat post ko, Ritchey 1-bolt seat post na WCS. So WCS yung buong cockpit. Now as for the saddle, this is a fabric line shallow na titanium yung railings. So yan, ito yung saddle of choice ko. Dito pasok yung puwet ko. Now for the group set, this is a Shimano GRX RX600. So yan, GRX na group set. This is the Shimano 105 level ng GRX. So I like it very much. GRX siya all throughout except for the rear disc brake caliper. Kasi as you can see, itong Ritchey Swiss Cross naka post mounts pa siya. Post mounts pa. Eh yung bagong Shimano GRX flat mount na eh. Flat mount na. Yung harap, nagawa ko na paraan. I was able to buy an adapter from Andre Sutton Solutions. Pinaano ko pa yan. Import ko from Canada. Pero itong likod kasi wala talagang adapter na kasya eh. Kasi parang ayun no. Ito may bakal na parang so. Yan. Yung quick release skewer ko, Hope. Front and rear. Rotors, yan lang yung kasama ng Shimano GRX sa group set. 160mm for both front and rear. As for the wheel set, this is a Racing 6DD wheel set. So disc brake specific. But as you can see, I removed the decal so it's cleaner looking. Medyo maraming stickers nakalagay na una eh. Yeah. For the tires, these are Panel Racer Gravel Kings na SS Plus. Yung plus, that only means na may ano siya, extra na puncture resistant, so mas makapal siya. Oo, mas mabigat, pero mas matibay naman. Diba? That's what you get for suffering, for sacrificing yung weight. Right? Now, lastly, for the bottle cage, actually, favorite ko to. Ang ganda. This is the Ritchey Classic stainless steel bottle cage. Diba? Looks classy. So, yep. That's it for my Ritchey Swiss Cross. That's my bike check. I hope you like it. And that's it for today. Bye.